What we have here is a brand new sewer rod. This sewer rod, I've got a septic tank that's being a little bit, well, we'll say hardy, but against me, not against what it's supposed to be. So this is this one here is made by Cobra. This is a Menards unit. It's called a flat sewer rod. So we're going to try it. It has a handle on it. This would be it. You can hold on to it tight. This is what it is on the head. Pretty simple. I'm going to go on tangle this and see what I can get making happen. At this point, we're going to put the Cobra head in and see what we can do here. I went ahead and unwrapped it about, maybe 40 feet. So let's pull it out, see if I can get any dirt. Just dirt. See what else I'm getting there. Two ones fishing. Okay, I'm hitting stuff. Right now it's just water, and that's what that septic tank is full of, water right now. At least we're hoping. Go ahead and do it again. Alright, I'm starting to hear things. Either the badger in there is about to come out, or that's a good thing. And here's the water. Go ahead and get a close-up for it. Just plugged with dirt. Who knows, probably gopher or something. Went ahead and went in there. I would say tools of the job, rubber gloves, a plus. And just a water pipe with a drain field, basically. Cool. Problem solved. Hey, if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we can do all kinds of fun things. This year just saved me $300, $400. That little snake there is a 100-foot snake that cost me $38. My children will be using it someday. Mainly water. This is my horse Pontiac. It's my son's horse Ranger. Yeah, they're kind of tame and legitimate girls. You know, one of the reasons I live out here, so you can take time for the good things in life. Your children, of course your wife, your spouse I should say, God, family. You know, God didn't really design us to live in urban areas. He just didn't. They're meant to be people of the land, people with inalienable rights, cannot be infringed on by government or bullyism, which is government nowadays, or gangs, or, you know, these are things that trouble me. Real things that trouble me. But back to pipes.